Erectile dysfunction, liver qi stagnation, clinical manifestations, impotence in the young that fluctuates according to the emotional state, premature ejaculation, abdominal distension, irritability, moodiness, depression. Tongue is normal colored or slightly red on the sides and the pulse is wiry. Treatment principle, pacify the liver, move qi, eliminate stagnation. Points, liver 3, gallbladder 34, pericardium 6, Ren 6, Ren 3, liver 5, gallbladder 13, Do 24, all with reducing or even method. Explanation in acupuncture. Liver 3, gallbladder 34, and pericardium 6 pacify the liver, move qi, and eliminate stagnation. Ren 6 moves qi in the lower abdomen. Ren 3 treats the genital system. Liver 5 treats the liver channel in the penis. Uh, Gallbladder 13 and 224 calms the mind and settle the ethereal soul in liver patterns. Thank you for your attention.